Selling maple syrup in PA, what you need to know. Do you produce maple syrup and want to start selling it? Let's talk about the steps you need to take to start a successful business. Step 1 is to register with the Pennsylvania Department of Agriculture, or PDA. The good news? Getting started doesn't require expensive commercial equipment. Pennsylvania offers a limited food establishment registration for home-style kitchens or camps producing maple syrup. Visit the PDA website to download and submit your registration application. Step 2 is to meet current good manufacturing practices, or cGMPs, which are required under state and federal law. What does it mean to meet current good manufacturing practices? Let's start at the beginning with sap collection. First, you must ensure your sap only comes in contact with food-grade surfaces. This includes tubing, buckets, and collection containers. Food-grade materials prevent chemical leaching and degradation that could contaminate your product. If you are unsure whether your equipment is food safe, contact the manufacturer to confirm. Your collection containers should also have a lid to keep pests out. Regularly inspect your equipment and act quickly if pests access your product. Another important cGMP is sanitation. Your equipment must be kept clean and protected from potential contamination. This means having access to both hot and cold running water for cleaning purposes. If you store your sap before processing, make sure the storage area is free from potential contaminants. Make sure to seal any holes, gaps, or cracks in your sugar shack or processing room to keep pests out. If the sap shows signs of mold during storage, you must dispose of all the product in the holding unit. When it's time to boil sap, work in a covered area to prevent contamination from outside sources. Properly manage condensation to ensure it doesn't drip from ceilings or unclean equipment into your product. Packaging is just as important as production. Always use clean, uncracked containers and fill them hot. After filling, invert the containers to heat treat the interior, reducing the risk of mold and extending shelf life. Your product label is another critical component. It must include the common name of the food, net weight, name and address of your facility, and an ingredient statement. Be sure to list any allergens or additives, like preservatives or defoaming agents. When in doubt, ask your inspector for guidance. Finally, maintaining an employee health policy is essential. This ensures anyone who is ill doesn't handle food and outlines proper hygiene practices, like hand washing. Your inspector can provide a template if needed. As part of your employee health policy, your facility must have an appropriate hand washing setup that includes soap, hot and cold running water, and methods for drying hands that won't contribute to contamination, like air dryers or disposable towels. If your operation meets these cGMPs, you are ready for your PDA inspection. An inspector will contact you within 4 to 6 weeks to set up your initial inspection. During the inspection, they will verify your process and compliance with cGMPs. They will also verify your water source. If your water source is private, like a well, you must submit water test results with your application. Municipal water systems do not require testing. If you use a home kitchen, be prepared for the inspector to enter your kitchen and any other area of the home used during production. Once registered and inspected, great news, you're ready to sell. Whether it's wholesale or direct to consumers, your products can now reach the market. If more than 50% of your sales are wholesale, you will also need to register with the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA. This registration is free and renewed every 2 years. Visit the FDA's website for more information. To keep your business compliant, you must renew your PDA license annually, which comes with a small fee for processing. Refer to the PDA website for current costs. Inspections don't stop once you're registered. You will continue to undergo regular PDA inspections while your business is in operation. If you make any changes to your operation, you must notify your PDA inspector. These changes include relocating, adding new equipment, or producing new products. Remember, the PDA inspectors are here to support your success. Their goal is to help you navigate these requirements and maintain high food safety standards. Whether you're starting small in your home kitchen or scaling up your business, they'll guide you every step of the way. So take the first step today. Start by registering with PDA. Ensure your operation meets current good manufacturing practices, and prepare for your initial inspection. Planning to sell wholesale? Don't forget to register with the FDA. Once you're up and running, simply renew your PDA license annually and notify your inspector of any changes to your operation.
Visit the PDA website for more information at www.pa.gov/agriculture.